Welcome back to Pro Chef Academy. So today we're going to do something very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to do some sous vide poached eggs. So as you can see, stage one, I just have my eggs ready, and then I have set the temperature of my bain-marie here on my sous vide machine, or water bath if you want to call it that, to 75 degrees. So we're going to add our eggs in and we're going to give them 13 minutes, and that's going to be stage one. So water is ready. Yeah, heat it, and then my eggs are room temperature. So stage one. Okay, so stage two here of my sous vide eggs. So I have cooked them in a water bath here for 75 degrees for 13 minutes, and now is the moment of truth, and we're going to see here what our egg is. And there we have a beautiful sous vide egg, a beautiful shape to it. And what we're going to do here, just to show you then how beautiful it is, we're just going to cut it, and you see we've got that beautiful yolk inside. So what you could also do with that is you can make a crispy fried egg. You could go on from that and you could flour, egg wash, and breadcrumb and deep fried, and you add another layer of texture then to your dish. So I hope you enjoyed this very simple idea of how to sous vide your eggs. Like I said, 75 degrees, 13 minutes. If you like this, please subscribe to the channel. Please like, subscribe, and we'll hopefully see you soon again. So, sous vide eggs, done.